Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy DC The Truth. It's gonna be a different style video for me, a DIY. We gonna make an attempt at changing a dog bone mount on a 2001 Camry. All right, let's get into it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, here's the 2001 Camry, the dog bone mount. As y'all can see, it's a pretty old car. Dog bone mount is shattered, which causes the engine on here to rock. So we're gonna attempt to replace this. Hopefully I don't need no heavy artillery or anything like that. So just looking at this, you need a 14mm socket. So what we're gonna do is, I'm having a hard time holding and filming. Look like I might have a need to get the breaker bar. So I just needed a bigger socket wrench. So I'm just gonna unloose this bolt here. Then we're gonna aim for the one on the top. Oh, by the way, I just wanted to kind of show off my new magnetic plate where I keep the tools at to keep me from losing them. So yeah, since this is in the front, my lid over here. By the way, y'all, I'm not a mechanic, but I am mechanically inclined. My dad's the mechanic of the family. I do HVAC. I know, you know, most people following their dad's footsteps. I did something a little different, and I ain't want to talk too much in the vid, but it's good to be able to, I was able to help my dad at something he couldn't solve one time. Felt real good. Teaching the student, teaching the master. Not about cars, of course. But anyway, let's get to the second bolt. All right, now the second bolt, oh boy, I'm gonna need a little muscle on this one. So I'll probably be back with y'all. Yeah, second one definitely gonna require some heavy artillery. And I can't hold this bad the phone and this bad boy at the same time, so y'all get the drift. Yeah, I'm actually not gonna lie to you. That was harder than I thought. Had to go to the hardware store, buy an adapter to put on my breaker bar, because I don't know what happened to my my other adapter. But so we just gonna take this loose, and y'all know that it's self-explanatory, so we'll skip this. Okay, so I got it loose enough. What y'all want to do, these bolts come with a washer. Keep the washer. I'm gonna lay that to the side, and we're gonna get our replacement part. But any of you guys that's looking for this replacement part, the part number is 8698, and this is for a 2001 Camry. Probably go from the 98 to 2001. But anyway, we're gonna, like I say, we'll remove this and put the new one on. See, it slides out pretty fairly easily. Just move that out the way. Get that up out of there. So this is the replacement part next to it. Got a steel finish. Y'all see how broken and damaged this one is. So we just gonna put it back like we got it. All right. Okay, I think it went in here like this first. Hard to film with one hand. Sorry about that. So we're gonna get this lined up. I think y'all get the drift. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna line it up. All right, it looks pretty lined up. So let's see if I can thread it through. Well, maybe not. All right, I think we got it lined up now. We getting tight. Use the ratchet now. All right, it seems I got it lined up, and I just want to give y'all a word of caution. Sometimes y'all, like I say, I'm an MIT graduate at YouTube University. Sometimes these videos be so edited, they'll make a hard job look so easy. Like with this here, when I took it off, of course I had to push up on this to get that to line up. You know, I had to use like the back of this to kind of start and thread it and get it kind of lined up, because you know it is part of a mount, so you know it does need to have some pressure on there. So I'm gonna torque this down and torque the other side down, and hopefully we good to go. Well, all right, y'all, I put that in on, torque that down, torque this down over here. As you can see the screw coming out. I think that pretty much did it. I can turn the engine on if I need to. I could get my pops to inspect the work from a mechanic's opinion. But other than that, we're just gonna fire out the engine. I noticed that kick up on startup, it didn't really shake, rock. Let's see if we can open that throttle up. There it is. No more rattling. No more rattling. Your boy DC the truth, y'all. That's what I do. For real.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm a exit draw. Yeah, she give me that claim I was wrong. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, damn me. Baby's yellow, text.